welcome to CJ Youngest Son. Yes, this is the space where your voice, your opinion, your videos and pictures all come together to decide the agenda. Yes, this is the citizens' platform, your platform. Here is all that you wanted to see this week.
I'm Anuradha here on CJ Youngest Son, and our primary concern is that we cannot vote. As citizens of India, we are disenfranchised.
पहली बार वोट किया है और वोट करके बहुत पावरफुल फील हो रहा है।
वोटिंग मेरा राइट है और वोटिंग मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है।
आई होप कि जो नेक्स्ट सरकार आएगी हमारे लिए एजुकेशन अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ और ज़्यादा लाएगी।
Well, the sixth phase of polling just got over amidst the noise of campaigning, tall promises and sometimes stopgap quick fixes. But CJ Youngest Son, with your mobile cameras always rolling, didn't miss a thing. Well, CJ Manisha has now sent us a video of a road that had been neglected for years in Bharuch in Gujarat and metalled within hours right before the elections.
Hi, this is Dr. Manisha Saxena from Bharuch. Just before the elections, now the roads are getting a makeover. You can see the work in progress. In scorching heat and dust, laborers are toiling day and night. And in fact, this work has started from today early morning. They are busy doing a makeover of this road.
There has been a response to this video, R. Karthik wrote on ibncj.com. The politicians do not realize that people are not fools to believe in these symbolic gestures of development. Some people also tweeted to us at IBNCJ. Ayan Sarkar says, I too live in Bharuch and I have seen this type of road making during the Gujarat elections. Prabhu Nair says it is good for the locals, but isn't the new road surface laying in violation of the code of conduct? Anuj says, why only Gujarat? Whole of Bangalore is getting new roads. Even in the tech city Bangalore, the situation is bad. CJ Andy sent us these pictures of what he calls non-existent roads in the Electronic City Phase 1. Andy says that he has taken up the matter with the authorities, but nothing has changed. On the other hand, in the national capital, even the politics of elections could not bring about a change. CJ Seema Gupta sent us this picture of a potholed road in the capital city.
Well, a lot of you have been sending us your contributions on ibncj.com and telling us the issues that you want the new government to address. Nidhi is a young school teacher and she's a daily commuter in the local trains that run between Haryana and Delhi. She sent us these pictures and just look at how crowded these local trains are and imagine having to travel 2 to 4 hours every morning just to reach your workplace. Well, we at CJ Youngest Son wanted to take this issue forward. Runjhun Sharma is now hopping on to one such local train and talking to the youth and understanding what their issues are.
Imagine having to start every day elbowing your way through a crowd. Every day moving to the endless rhythm of a train ride. And a train where finding mere breathing space is luck. And this is the everyday battle just to get to work.
Every day, hundreds of youngsters travel on this train from Palwal in Haryana to the country's capital with thousands of dreams and hopes in their eyes. Some of them are students, while some have just started their careers. Let's speak to some of them and find out what they expect from the government this time and what they voted for.
क्या चाहते हो नई सरकार से?
नई सरकार से पहले तो एजुकेशन के मामले में चाहते हैं कि एजुकेशन अच्छी करे।
मैं नई सरकार से यही उम्मीद चाहूँगी कि वो ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करने वालों के लिए सुविधाएं उपलब्ध कराएं। लड़कियों के लिए खासकर लेडीज़ कंपाउंड में लड़कों का आना जाना अलाउड ना हो।
हम लोग यही चाहते हैं कि मेट्रो के स्टाइल पे ही हमारी ट्रेन्स भी हों।
अब बहुत यूथ थक चुका है। अब इस बार नो करप्शन, नो महंगाई।
नई सरकार से क्या उम्मीद है?
It's a 5-hour commute for Satish Kumar every day, who's a primary school teacher in Delhi.
हरियाणा में जो भर्तियां निकलती हैं, ऐसी कोई भर्ती नहीं है जिसमें भ्रष्टाचार ना हो। हर भर्ती में गड़बड़ियां हैं, हर भर्ती पर केस चला हुआ है, इसलिए हरियाणा में ना कोई जॉब निकलती हैं। 10 साल हो गए हैं, 10 सालों में कुछ ऐसी भर्तियां जो आज तक पूरी नहीं हो पाई।
और जॉब करनी है तो जाना पड़ता है दिल्ली।
रोज जाना, दिल्ली जाना।
हरियाणा में बिल्कुल।
हरियाणा में बिल्कुल।
As the train draws close to Ballavgarh station, an overwhelming crowd pushes through the doors. But this is not new for the everyday commuters, and they have found techniques to literally hang on. Life-threatening, yes perhaps, but it's about making to work or college on time.
Every single young voter on this train is filled with expectations and anticipations from this election. But it comes down to a single train of thought. Their vote matters.
पहली बार वोट किया है और वोट करके बहुत पावरफुल फील हो रहा है।
वोटिंग मेरा राइट है और वोटिंग मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है।
Chatting up the young commuters, we realized that election fever is high here.
वोट किया?
यस
किसको किया?
भाजपा बीजेपी।
क्यों इस बार बीजेपी क्यों?
क्योंकि देश में कुछ चेंज लाना है तो शायद उससे उम्मीद है कि बीजेपी कर सकती है।
केजरीवाल भी अपने जरिए सही है, उनका काम भी सही है, लेकिन वो दिल्ली से क्यों भाग गया?
इस बार क्या लगता है किसकी सरकार आएगी?
मोदी सरकार आएगी।
लोगों को लगता है कि कांग्रेस ने अभी तक कुछ भी ना ऐसा डेवलपमेंट नहीं करी है।
इस बार कोई भी आए, यूथ को चेंज चाहिए।
बंदे में दम है, पावर है, कर सकता है।
Despite the hardship of travelling in this chaos every morning for 4 hours, first-time voter Smriti has no choice but to battle her travel to college every day. She's filled with excitement over getting her finger inked.
मुझे इतनी दूर तक स्टडी करने के लिए जाना पड़ता है, तो आई होप कि जो नेक्स्ट सरकार आएगी हमारे लिए एजुकेशन अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ और ज़्यादा लाएगी।
The youth on board this train is filled with skepticism, yet is itching for change. With video journalist Arjun Singh, this is Runjin Sharma.
Yes, the youth is supercharged and super excited in making their vote count in the biggest election of the country. But a group of potential voters is losing out on this opportunity. A group of Indian students who have gone abroad for their studies are feeling left out because they are not being able to vote this time. Could technology have come in the way of helping them bridge this gap? Well, technology is certainly helping them in making their voice heard. This election, they're sending their video blog to us. Take a look.
Hello, I'm Anuradha here on CJ Youngistan, and our primary concern is that we cannot vote. As citizens of India, we are disenfranchised for no fault of us. The only fault is that we are pursuing our education and our work abroad.
Hi, I'm Sananda. Creating a voting mechanism for NRI students is not a rocket science. I really hope to see such a mechanism in place so that students in the future who come abroad to study can vote.
Hi, I am Payal. I'm on CJ Youngistan. I feel that the issue of voting by students can be taken up alongside, where students don't have to go back to India during the election period like the NRIs, and they can just go to the high commissions and vote from there.
Hi, I'm Manaswita, a postgrad student at LSE, and I'm on CJ Youngistan. My suggestion to the government would be that some polling provisions should be made at official state representative institutes like the High Commission and the consulates abroad for students like us to cast our vote, as we cannot fly back to our constituencies.
Hi, I'm Ashwini. I'm studying public policy at the London School of Economics. Today, more than 114 other countries have this mechanism in which their citizens staying abroad can vote at the local embassy electronically. This includes 20 Asian countries. If so many countries can do this, I'm sure my country can do this for its citizens.
Well, if you too have not been able to exercise your right to vote, you can mail us at cj@network18online.com or tweet us at IBNCJ, or simply leave us a message on our website ibncj.com. Well, many proud voters have sent us their selfies with the indelible ink on the finger. We've created a gallery of all these pictures. See if you find your picture in one of these. Well, we're going to take a short break here on CJ Youngistan, but just before Mumbai went to polls, a creepy crawly candidate came knocking on our windows. Surprised? We'll meet India's Spider-Man, Gaurav Sharma, who's also now an aspiring politician.
His ability to reach dizzying heights in a matter of minutes has earned him a name in the record books. and the title of the Indian Spider-Man. No wonder kids follow him wherever he appears. Desi Spider-Man Gaurav Sharma is eyeing to get the attention of grown-ups who will vote from his constituency. Up against candidates like Meera Sanyal and Milind Deora in South Mumbai, Gaurav hopes his unique approach will help him stand out by climbing buildings and using the window to request voters to vote for him.
Stairs is like again a lot of time to reach out to people. But, windows to window is a campaign which is really exciting. It is interesting. Somebody, if people can connect to an MP who is super fit like a Spider-Man.
His antics have got him the required attention being an independent candidate. But it isn't just publicity that this youngster is trying to seek.
My constituency is known to be the richest constituency in India, and people are still deprived by the basic facilities like electricity, water, schooling. There are still child labor happening. People are not being participating properly the way our voice should reach out to Parliament.
While there are voices in support of his candidature,
मैं चाहूँगा कि मैं इनको वोट करूँ क्योंकि ये इंडिपेंडेंस सबसे मेरी यही उम्मीद है कि गौरव भाई को ही वोट करे.
only time will tell if this Indian Spider-Man will succeed in getting voters in his web.
Welcome back. You're watching CJ Youngistan. Now, if politics is about cutthroat competition, luring the voter, then it's also about absurd comments, ridiculous banter, and one-upmanship. Yes, we put it all together here in CJ Youngistan just because it's too much fun. Here's Shitanshu with more.
As the country entered and exited the 6th phase of polling, the drama, the action, and most importantly, the comedy of politics intensified. इसे छोटी-मोटी फिल्म ना समझे, यहाँ एक्शन है, ड्रामा है, सॉलिड डायलॉग डिलीवरी है, मैं लगता है बकरा आ गया, नाच गाना भी है। And not to forget, costumes. This dude knows that the first step to adding a feather to your hat is wearing a hat. Did I say a hat? ये कोई आसान बात नहीं है किसी भी टोपी में अपना सर डाल देना। मगर नरेंद्र जी भाई मोदी अब अगर सर डाल ही दिया है तो मूसलों से क्या घबराना। वैसे ये बात मोदी जी से बेहतर कोई नहीं समझ सकता। स्कल कैप हो या ना हो, मोदी जी आप हैं लखा में। मुझे भी हो गया है इस लुक से प्यार, क्योंकि अब की बार मोदी सरकार। Ad sales have gone up in the bazaar, क्योंकि अब की बार इनकी सरकार। Crores have been spent on shameless promotions so far. अब की बार, well, you don't trust me? See it yourself यार। जाने अब की बार किसकी सरकार। जी हाँ बहनों और भाइयों, पेपर स्प्रे हुआ पुराना, अब है असली शहंशाह का जमाना। कौन है? मित्रों, कौन हो तुम? रिश्ते में तो हम सबके बाप होते हैं। हम हैं मोदी मोदी मोदी। ये हुई ना बात। ये है असली पैसा वसूल लुक। मोदी जी की दाढ़ी और ये कच्चे पक्के बाल और ये स्टाइल, ये है असली शहंशाह जो हर शहजादे को कहे, शेखू तुम्हारा बाप आ गया है।
तो आप अपना वोट इस बार सोनिया जी को मत दीजिए।
वोट? प्रियंका, नो नीड टू टेक मोदी जी सो सीरियसली। वो कभी भी कन्नी काट लेते हैं। रिमेंबर एंथू कटलेट गिरिराज सिंह व्हेन ही मेड दिस कमेंट?
नरेंद्र मोदी को रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वे वही लोग हैं जो पाकिस्तान परस्त हैं।
भाई और कोई खुश हो ना हो, पर ट्रैवल एजेंट्स काफी खुश हैं। अब उनके ये ट्वीट्स देखिए, अगर पाकिस्तान जाना पड़ जाए तो उसके लिए स्पेशल डील्स हैं।
आज ही आ जाओ, लाहौर लाहौर लाहौर, कराची कराची कराची।
बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज यू सी। वेल, इसीलिए तो वो कहते हैं कि अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं यार, क्योंकि अब की बार मोदी सरकार। जेल में हो नेता या हो केस हजार, अब की बार मोदी सरकार। वीरों को है बसंती से प्यार, अब की बार मोदी सरकार।
Yes, well, these are our netas and we can only hope that the best man wins. Meanwhile, CJ Youngistan has become quite the fad, and if you haven't joined the community, here is how you can.
तूने CJ Youngistan देखा? तो हम अपने इलेक्शन इशू शो में भेज सकते हैं।
भेज तो सकते हैं, but how?
अरे यार, you can shoot a picture or even make a video and send on the issues you like.
So a song or a rap also.
I have voted for change. What are you voting for?
यार अब जल्दी से ibncj.com पे भेज देते हैं।
We are looking forward to your contribution. Log on to ibncj.com and become a part of CJ Youngistan.
Yes, this is your one-stop destination where your issues are always going to be priority. So send them to us on ibncj.com. Also, your feedback is very crucial. You can also connect with us on Facebook and Twitter. And remember, CJ Youngistan is a place where your issues, your voice and your opinion will always matter. Until next time, goodbye.
ऊपर से नीचे से चुपके से पीछे से ना जाने कहां कहां से हर दिन रोज रात मंडे फ्राइडे सुबह शाम 2G 3G AG OG ना जाने क्या क्या जी बस कर साले और कितना खाएगा तू बस कर साले कितना रुलाएगा तू ये कब तक सहेंगे हम तेरा ये गंदा सिस्टम क्यों तू झूठे पाठ पढ़ाए खुद होके अंगूठा छाप बंद कर ये सब भागम भाग मिटा ले तुम पे लगा है दाग वरना हम सब चिल्लाएंगे बस कर साले और कितना खाएगा तू बस कर साले कितना रुलाएगा तू